When they hear about repentance and holiness, there is a devil in their flesh that rises up. The devil rises up and begins to fight that. When they hear repentance and holiness, the devil in their flesh rises up. Very courageous.
Wanaposikia toba na utakatifu, kuna shetani ndani mwao ambaye anainuka kabisa na kuanza kupinga hiyo.
Does not want holiness.
Hataki kabisa utakatifu.
That devil in them does not want righteousness.
Huyo shetani ndani mwao hataki.
And he says rebellion and treachery.
Na anasema kwamba uasi na udanganyifu
Against the Lord.
dhidi ya Bwana.
Turning their backs, our backs on our God.
Na kumgeuzia Mungu wetu.
Your very source of deliverance, you are turning your back on Him. The cloud of God is here, announcing the coming of the Messiah. And you are turning your back on the cloud of God. Saying, no, I want to go and open my own church. I want to go do my own thing. I want to go to another place. Where are you going to? And God is here. Who has bewitched you? He's describing the condition of the present day church. And he's saying rebellion and treachery against the Lord. Turning our backs on our God. As though they have another cloud somewhere else. Inciting revolt and oppression. Inciting rebellion against God. Look at the way he lays out your case. Where will you run to?